Welcome to Alliance in Motion Global USA. The world of Alliance in Motion Global is made of distinct dynamism and pure excellence. It is a factual world where realism is at hand. It has the love and passion from its rich and strong foundation of integrity and dignity. With its powerful products and time-tested concrete marketing plan, Alliance in Motion Global now puts in life the true meaning and the need to achieve success. We believe wholeheartedly with the responsibility of that your dream is our plan. Because it was once said that the greatest source of illness in this world is an empty income. And if you give a person an opportunity to earn what they're worth, it is the greatest and powerful remedy. Success is the willingness to dream, to do hard work, to be consistent, to be of service, and having achieved outstanding health and abundant wealth. Here at Alliance in Motion Global, it's yours. Alliance in Motion Global Incorporated is a marketing company established in March 2006. It is located at Unit 301, 319, and 320 AIC Burgundy Park Tower, corner Garnet and Sapphire Street, Ortigas Center, Pasig City, Philippines. In more than 6 years of operation, Alliance in Motion Global Incorporated has established its presence strategically in different regions in the country. At present, it has 57 business centers and 94 satellite offices nationwide. Alliance in Motion Global Incorporated is conceptualized to provide unmatched quality distribution of exceptional products and services through a combination of advanced technology, distinctive marketing strategies, excellent product lines, and exemplary leadership that secures the success of the company. A pro distributor concept that sets trend in distributors' extravagant packages, such as transferable scholarship, free or discounted medical services, insurance package, and world-class quality products. As a pro distributor marketing company, Alliance in Motion Global Incorporated is devoted to providing its distributors a brighter future. It gives paramount importance in helping them achieve their dreams. In line with this, the company has made a strong alliance with more than 300 schools, clinics, and hospitals nationwide through its scholarship and medical programs, providing distributors and their families affordable quality education and medical services. Alliance in Motion Global Incorporated is Nature's Way exclusive multi-level marketing company, product distributor in the Philippines and other countries in the world. The history of company cannot only influence its culture, but it can often define its very soul. As such, the origin of Nature's Way is an incredibly unique story within the nutrition and dietary supplement industry. As one of the few original health food industry pioneers still in operation, the company has been in business since 1969. Over the last 4 decades, Nature's Way has pioneered more than just herbal and nutritional science. The company is recognized leader among all of the nutritional and dietary supplement companies in America. Nature's Way is the first industry-recognized GMP, Good Manufacturing Process facility. It is the first to bring significant European phytomedicines, plant-based medicines to market. It's the first major certified organic producer. It is the first nutritional products manufacturer with a state-of-the-art pharmaceutically licensed facility. Trust the leaf. The company logo of Nature's Way is a green leaf. It symbolizes health, life, and nature. Trust Belief is the create this company operates by every day. The company strives to manufacture the very best possible nutritional product for human consumption. The trust has been earned by decades of working hard to responsibly advance the supplement of industry. Nature's Way is located at the pristine base of the Wasatch Mountain in scenic Springville, Utah. The company is now one of the largest technologically advanced dietary supplement manufacturer in the United States. In 2004, the Frost and Sullivan Award for Product Quality Leadership was presented to Nature's Way Incorporated. Besides being the industry leader, the company has set the standards for screening the quality of products in the natural dietary supplement industry. With its phenomenal sales contribution through its dynamic product line, the industry recognized and awarded its product with 7 achievement awards from entities engaged with its product leadership and excellence in the country, such as Asian Consumer Choice Award, Asia's Most Outstanding LMN Direct Sales Company, and Asia's Most Outstanding Nutraceutical Food Supplement, Asian Star Brand, Most Outstanding Nutritional Supplement, Asian Business and Marketing Quality Awards, Most Outstanding Mega Nutritional Supplement, Global Awards for Marketing Excellence, Most Outstanding Wellness Technology, Philippine Marketing Excellence Award, Most Outstanding Nutritional Technology Supplement, Asia Pacific Excellence Award, Outstanding Global Marketing Company. The company acknowledged the dedication and hard work of its distributors for having a sequence of remarkable sales. In return, Alliance in Motion Global Incorporated offers outstanding all-expense-paid travel incentives to its top distributors to further inspire them to excel in the world of multi-level marketing business. At present, leaders and distributors travel around the country to promote a passion for life, service, and prosperity by providing revolutionary products and services to help them achieve financial independence that will surely result to economic progress. As soon, Alliance in Motion Global Incorporated will be recognized as a leader in providing quality products and services on a global scale. Our vision: to provide unmatched quality distribution of outstanding products and services to local, regional, and global markets. Our mission: to open the doors of opportunity and prosperity by empowering our distributors to achieve financial independence and economic stability by maximizing the wealth of the market through our products and services. Our core values. Our values provide us a brief for our actions and describe how we perform in the world. Leadership: the valor to shape a better future. Integrity: be genuine and reliable. Excellence: to stand out and be known. Passion: committed in heart and mind. Quality: revolutionary and effective products to cater the world. The Board of Directors. President and CEO: Dr. Eduardo Cabansug, MD, the Visionary President. Dr. Eduardo Cabansug is a graduate of medicine from Pamantasan ng lungsod ng Maynila. Is a pioneer leader and model institution of higher learning in the Philippines. After acquiring his license as a medical doctor and serving as a company physician and one of the well-known local medical and clinical services provider for a couple of years, he practiced his medical expertise in some of the most reputable hospitals in the Philippines. He ventured into the networking business and joined other networking companies before instituting Alliance in Motion Global Incorporated in 2006. His remarkable success in his newfound career and having survived difficult challenges molded a great leader and survivor fit to lead a fast-growing company in a world of multi-level marketing business where the competition is very stiff. Vice President for Marketing, Mr. Raymond Chan Aspirin, Mr. Excitement. Mr. Aspirin was a graduating student when he started to venture into networking business. Because of his being adventurous and a young adult full of ambition and determination, he never let a single opportunity slip away from his hand. He also believes that the future depends on the decisions we make today, because life is not a matter of chance, but it is a matter of choice. He is known as Mr. Excitement because of his jolly spirit and inventiveness in promoting the company and its products. His creativity and effective ideas are the characteristics that make him unique in many ways. Mr. Aspirin is indeed an achiever in the networking business, and he travels around the country to share his history of success to better equip our distributors in pursuing this networking career. Vice President for Finance, Engineer Francis Miguel, mentor of all mentors. A Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering graduate of Adamson University, he was hired by the leading telecommunications company in the Philippines right after graduating in college. He earned respect in the industry after creating millionaires that have become icons in the world of multi-level marketing business. He is one of the pioneer networkers that has mentored some of the famous personalities in this industry. He is fondly called as the mentor of all mentors. He has made alliance with all these icons, and together they establish a fast-growing networking company in the Philippines today, the Alliance in Motion Global Incorporated. Our foundation: Alive, Always Live in Victory Everyday Foundation. One of the most important visions of Alliance in Motion Global Incorporated is to become a force for good, thus to give attention on its social responsibility. Alive Foundation is established in 2007. Alive Foundation focuses its charitable efforts in different sectors of our society. There are funds and hospitalized children, sick and abandoned elderly, and the poorest communities of the Philippines. It creates various projects that promote awareness on the health and the wellness such as blood donation and fun run activities. It also implements outreach program and medical mission that responds mostly on a spur need basis, especially in calamity-stricken areas. Alive Foundation was recognized for its achievement and active participation in the Give Blood Save Lives project by the Philippine National Red Cross. Alliance in Motion Global Incorporated actively involves its distributors in all the endeavors of Alive Foundation, because the company believes that it can only be truly success if it can teach its ordinary distributor to become an extraordinary millionaire, living an extraordinary, meaningful, healthy life, and most importantly, to become a person for others. Thus, together, it makes a difference towards a better world.